use the option of adding fields into the field catalog. So that is how you can add new fields into your condition table. So in case if you feel that you have created any new fields and that is not present in the field catalog, then you can go and add that fields into the field catalog before creating the condition table. So that is where we stopped yesterday. So I was showing you about the header conditions. So how the header conditions, there are two ways in which a header condition would work. One is the entire header condition value would get added to the lines individually. So if the header condition value, discount value, you're proposing some €1,000, then each line would get a discount of €1,000. On the other hand, there is something called like how we can proportionately distribute the value amongst the line items. So let us look at that in detail, and then maybe we can start with our today's session. So I have shared my screen. So let me know when you're able to see my screen.
Yes, sir, it's visible to us.
Okay, so let us create a sales order and see how we can get the header conditions here. So for the sake of understanding, I'm just giving two line items and with two different materials. So now let us go to the header, go to conditions, and here we can see that the condition is price condition is not active at the header level. So you don't see any amount here. So you can just go here and add a particular header condition RB00. So RB00 is one example of a header condition. So let us try to give a discount of €100. So then when we add this, it will get updated here. Here you can see that €100 is the discount condition. RB00 is a discount by value. So it is showing in minus. Now let us select this and we can activate this condition. Now you can see here the condition value is now €200. Why? Because each line is getting a discount of €100. So now we can go to the item level and we can individually each line we can go and see how this discount condition is reflected there. So just go there to the line item. This is a problem. I think there is some issue with this. It's not coming up. So can someone tell me what is the link to go to the virtual desktop? Hello.
Ah, yes, sir. I'm copying one.
What is the credentials, username, password?
Wait a minute, sir. Mm, Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, Vivek.
Okay. Mm, Yeah. Password.
Okay, my system is back. You're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just
Yes,
clear
sir.
this. It is now coming. So let us create a sales order. Let's continue. Let's give two materials with two different quantities. And now let us go to the header. and give the discount of RB00, say some 100 euro. We propose this discount. Now the value of the discount is 100 euro, which is showing in minus because it is a discount, and we can select this and we can activate it. So now it becomes 200. Why? Because there are two line items. So individually at each line item, how this is reflecting. If you go to the line item and you see here, a discount value is 100 euro. It's an absolute discount. So how many whichever is the quantity, it will show as 100 euro only. Similarly for the second line also, line item 20 also, it is showing as 100 euro is the absolute discount. So the condition value is also 100. It is not influenced by this price. So that is how it gets distributed. So on the other hand, we have another discount. Yesterday we checked that discount as well, but we did not activate it. So let us try to activate that HB00 discount. So let us give some discount of another 100 euro using HB00. So now here you can see HB00 100 euro is the discount. The condition value is not it come because you are not yet activated. So let us select this line and we activate it here. So now the discount value you see it is still remaining as 100 euro only. So here it was 200 because it is distributing 100 with each line. So whereas this 100 is getting distributed proportionately amongst the line items. Now let us go and look at the line items, how they have received the discount. Go and select this conditions. Here you see HB00, the amount is 100, but for this line it has received 58.09. Why? I will show you how the calculation has happened. For the second line also, the discount value is 100, but you see the condition value, it is 41.91. So proportionately it has distributed. Why? Because see, let us check how this is worked out. So now here you see the first line, the value is 4566.41, or okay, not that. So this is the value. So this is the price 4724.50. So 4724.5 plus for the second line the value is 3436 plus 3436. So the total is 8160.5. Now for the first line you can go to 4724.50 divided by the total 8106.5 into our discount was 100 euro. So 58.2 approximately, this is what we have received. But the second one was 3436. So 3436 divided by the total 8106.5 into 100. So 42 point something. So this is what approximately, I have not calculated with the point and all. So approximately this is what we have received as the discount value. So this is how the system proportionately distributes this value amongst the lines. Whereas this discount RB00 will give the entire discount of 100 to every line. Whereas this discount is proportionately, it will get distributed amongst the different line items based on their condition value. So here you can see the price is 859. So into the quantity of 4, you get this condition. So this is the base value. Now based on this value only the taxes or the discounts and all will work. So this is the condition value. This is not the condition value. This is just the amount of the individual piece. So this is coming from the condition record that we maintain. So this is the condition value. So all the calculations would happen based on this value. Now this value is 3436. There is an absolute discount of 100. It gets reduced from this, then it becomes 3336. Then you have another discount of 41.91. It will get reduced from this, and this will lead to this price. So this is the net value. 3294.09 is the net value. So on top of this, there is a tax of 15%. So the 15% of 3,294 is 494.11. So this is the tax, and both put together you get the total value of this line item. So this is 37. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, something is going wrong with my system.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Fine, sir.
Everything is happening automatically. I don't know.
Sir, maybe you can restart it by power button itself,
No, I
the
don't know
physical
why
one.
it is not working. Even this is not working.
No,
So
sir,
let me
the
restart my system and I will connect back. Give me a
yes,
few
sir.
minutes.
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
Yeah, yeah.
ऑन कार स्टॉप करवा पाते हैं.
रेकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप करू.